Good morning, y'all. I hope everyone is having a beautiful day. I'm outside in nature, deciding to take advantage of a natural walking trail. It is in Greenville, North Carolina, directly diagonal from Winter Primary School. I'm going to turn the camera around so you'll be able to see what I see. The natural walking trail. And you're graced with these beautiful flowers as you enter the walking trail. I just think that's a really nice touch. So we're going amongst the trees, the woods, and the nature that God created. Look at how beautiful this is. And you have to be mindful of where you walk as well, because there's pets that walk this trail as well. So you don't want to step in anyone's business. Here's another path as well that you can choose to take. And they give you the information about the trail here. So I just want to share that with y'all. I'm out here in the heat. It's very humid, but I'm going to press through and get my miles in and continue to enjoy my day. And with that being said, I hope y'all have the most wonderful day. Even if your morning is not starting off the way you would prefer it to, keep in mind it's still not too late to turn around. All right, y'all, that's it from me. Have a wonderful day. Be blessed. Peace. Until next time.